Has anybody seen this before? It's a root of a plant called burdock. Nettles, but they're Japanese nettles called shiso. What we call daikon, but here I think we call it muli. Has anybody seen this? And it's called kombu dashi, it's called konnyaku. Wakame has this most amazing flavor. It's a bit earthy. It just gives a really nice stock. Dunk it in hot water and then mix it with your salad. Spring onions and miso goes in at last. Don't open it. It's still cooking, you see.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You didn't put the timer on? Ah.